My husband has requested for my chocolate chip cookies for the longest time. So let's make Miso Chocolate Chip Cookies today. It is a really umami cookie with chewy center. Start by measuring the butter. So the tips for this recipe is to use brown butter because brown butter really helps bring out a rich nutty flavor. So here's how to do it. Basically, just melt it and let it continue cooking for a bit until you can see it starts to turn brown at the bottom. I have my white miso here. So just put in the miso, it's about 1 tablespoon, and let them mix and melt together. And then set it aside to cool. While that is cooling aside, we can start measuring the rest of the ingredients. By the way, the full ingredient list is already posted on the caption or description box. When the butter mixture has cooled down, it's time to start the process. Mix in the sugar, give it a good stir, and then crack in a piece of egg. This is when a bit of work comes in. Whisk this egg mixture until it's light and glossy. After this part is done, mix in half of the flour mixture, fold them lightly, and then the rest of the half can come in and it will form a solid dough texture. For the chocolate chip, I'm using this one from Nestle because I love the taste and the size that is not too big. Same thing here, just fold everything together. Now there are two methods to baking this. One is you can bake it straight away, or if you want it to have even more umami taste, you can keep the dough in the fridge overnight at this point. I will demonstrate two methods here. So preheat the oven at 175 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit, and then just scoop the dough and turn them into cookie balls. I like to do about 1 tablespoon per cookie. And then top it off with sea salt, and followed by toasted sesame seeds. Bake these for about 11 to 13 minutes. And ta-da! And here's the one that I baked the day after. This batch tasted richer and more umami.
Karena aku kepengen dari dulu tuh yang ini coklat chip.